If you get this error when you use the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets, you're using the VLOOKUP wrong. In this video, I'm going to go over a couple of mistakes you're probably making. So here, what I was trying to do is I was trying to pull the bonus percentages here in this data set over here. So what I did is ran a VLOOKUP. I ran a search on the names in column A with the names here from column J. So if you look at my function, everything was set up properly. The column number that I wanted to pull the bonus percentages from was column 1, number 1 here, the first column from this data set. And I wanted an exact match because I want the exact amount of the bonus percentages. But I got this error. The reason why I got this is because I assumed my VLOOKUP could look to the left. The VLOOKUP function can't look to the left. It can only look to the right. So when it found a name, this name in this list, it was looking in column K instead of column I because I assumed this function can look to the left. The VLOOKUP function can only look to the right. In order to fix that, what I could do is just move this column here to column I and this column to column J. Then it will pull the bonus data that I want. In this particular data set, I got these errors here. And what I was trying to do is pull the salary from this data set here over into this data set here. Now, if you look at my VLOOKUP, everything seems to be right. I got the right search key here. I'm using the correct range, which is all this here. That's all correct. I got the right column that I wanted to pull back, the salaries column, column J here, and I want the exact match. So I chose false. All that seems correct. But when I pulled this function down, I got a lot of these errors saying that it can't find the person's name here from here. And so the problem is you'll get this if you don't lock your search range in place. If you hit F4 and now when I drag it down, the NAs go away. Because what happens when you don't lock your range down, for some reason the formula gets off. It won't search the entire range of data you're trying to pull. Let's look at the last one. In this particular exercise, what I was trying to do is use a VLOOKUP to pull. I was trying to pull the names from column F over into column B based on the data I have in column A. What I did is I, put my VLOOKUP function in and everything about this is correct. The issue is there are hidden zeros or blank spaces at the end of the word banana and at the end of the word apple. The VLOOKUP function doesn't recognize apple with blanks at the end as the same as the word apple here. What you want to do if you run across that issue is clean your data up. So come here, select all this, go to data, come down where it says data cleanup, and here where it says trim white space, click on that. So you get this little message and it says it found some cells with white space in it. Hit OK, it cleans it up, and as soon as it does, look here, lookup function recognizes apple here being the same as apple here, and it finds it. Check out the video on the screen to find out why you should be using XLOOKUP more than VLOOKUP.